Hi. How often do you get calls from customers where they've got some sort of a technical support problem or some question about your product or service, and you knew that if you could just see their screen, you could answer that problem quickly and efficiently and help them get on their way? My name is Rich Baker. I'm CEO and founder of Glance Networks. We provide a very simple desktop sharing tool that thousands of companies worldwide use today, often for web demos, sales presentations, and so on. We just introduced a new version of this with a feature that also lets you use Glance to be able to help people in a remote tech support or remote training situation. And I'd like to quickly give you a demo of how that works. In building this, by the way, we wanted to make sure that Glance stayed just as it was before in terms of being an extremely simple tool to use, but nevertheless it'd be something that you could reach for whenever you had that need to be able to just see what they saw and be able to help them out with their problem. So let me give you an example of how Glance works. I'm in customer support. Phone rings. Hi, this is Rich Baker. How can I help you?
Hi, my name is Bobby. I'm a customer of yours, and I'm having a problem printing something.
Well, I've got a simple tool here that could help me to see what you see and can even control your computer. Do you mind if I use that in this call?
Oh yeah, sure. That would be great.
Okay. Well, if you could just open a browser and just go to rich.glance.net.
Okay.
While I go over here and open up the session, I choose to view and control that session. When you get to rich.glance.net, it's going to ask you for a key.
Yep.
It's number 8297. And then just click Join Session. After Bobby enters the key, he's going to be asked to download and install some software. Glance is aware of what kind of computer he's using and what kind of browser is there, so it will prompt him appropriately. He just clicks through that when he's ready. He clicks a button that says Allow. And as soon as Bobby does that, a viewer opens on my side. And in a moment, it fills with a live view of his screen. And when I roll my mouse over, I can just click on it to control his screen. Now, anything I do, it's as though I was sitting at his computer. Now, I don't need to see this browser anymore, so I'll minimize that. And he's got the control panel open. Sure enough, Bobby, I see you've got the image writer as your default printer. I think you want this one over here as your default. Yeah, so I'm going to right click on there and then simply choose to set it as the default printer. And that should be it. Alright, I'm going to end this session by closing the view. And when I do, it prompts me. I'll say go ahead and end this session. And on your side, Bobby, you're probably being prompted as to whether to keep that software installed or not.
Yeah, I see that.
Yeah, if you do keep it installed, next time you call here, you'll be able to just immediately jump into a support session here. You won't have to do any install.
Oh, great. Okay, I'll keep it then.
Okay, great. Thanks much. Take care.
Thanks a lot.
Bye. So that's how you use it. Glance now, what has been a great little tool for doing web demos and sales training, can now be used for remote tech support applications as well. The new Glance software helps you to be able to quickly identify the customer's problem, be able to resolve it in just a few moments instead of minutes. Avoid that awkward time when you just wish you could see what they're looking at. Instead, you can now see what they see, take over the control of their computer if it makes sense, and be able to quickly resolve their problem. You can handle more calls in less time, and it's a great way to increase your productivity. So give it a try now. You can download it from glance.net/beta. It runs right alongside your existing Glance version, so you can just choose on a session-by-session basis which version you'd like to use. And let us know what you think. Send your comments to glance@glance.net. Thank you very much.